In this quick video, let's do a swap on Jupe. If you're brand new to Jupiter, you can always go to welcome.jupe.ag and use the setup guide to get yourself started on the Solana blockchain with Jupe. So we're at jupe.ag. Let's connect our wallet, Phantom, or you can use whatever wallet you like. In my Phantom wallet, I have about 8 SOL. I want to go and buy some Jupe. So let's click on the top one, select SOL, and the bottom one, let's either type in or select Jupe. It's right here, we'll just select it. Now we can click half to spend half of our SOL to buy that amount of Jupe, or we can just type in how much we want. Alternatively, we can select how much Jupe we want down here, as an example, 100. This will give us an exact amount. Then we click on swap, our wallet will pop up telling us how much Solana we're going to be using, how much Jupe we'll be getting, and we click confirm. The swap has confirmed and we now have 100 Jupe. We can see this right here, and we can also see it in our Phantom wallet right here. Let's do another swap. I'm going to change some SOL, and I'm going to buy some USDC, just 1 SOL, and swap, and confirm. The way Jupiter works, it searches the best place to get the most number of tokens for you. On this occasion, it used a couple of routes to get as many tokens as possible. Now we've got some USDC. We can see this right here, but we can also see it here in our Phantom wallet. Now let's move USDC to the top. We can either just select it up here, or just click this button here. It reverses USDC in SOL. Then we'll click on SOL, and we can type in another token. On this occasion, it's going to be Bonk, and I'm going to go and spend a small amount, $20, on some Bonk. Swap, and a few seconds later, we can confirm in our wallet. Our swap has gone through, we can see our Bonk right here, and looking in our Phantom, we can also see our Bonk right here. And that's how you do simple swaps on Jupiter.